Today video we are going to learn how to install ASP.NET MVC and Visual Studio 2022. Now click the setup. Continue. Simply select the ASP.NET and Web development and then scroll down here and select all the features because this is the .NET framework project and item template. This is the ASP.NET MVC and this is the tools for the Microsoft Team development tools, and this for the Windows Communication Foundation WCF, and this is the development time IIS support, which is the server IIS.NET framework 4.6.2 and 4.7.1 development tool, which is need for the ASP.NET MVC, and that is the additional project template which is used for ASP.NET, like a single page or a basic setting for the project startup or empty projects. These templates are included and this additional project templates. And this is the .NET Web Assembly build tool, which is need for the building the projects of ASP.NET MVC. So now select all these checkbox one by one. So once you select all these checkbox, then simply go to here, install while downloading now. Select download all, then install, and then click on this install buttons. Once the installation is finished, then you will create the ASP.NET MVC project inside then the Visual Studio 2022. So if you like this video, subscribe the Code with Ilyasoft YouTube channel.